I'm processing, but I would buy it where I don't own it in accounts. You know, it's 20 times what next year's earnings, and I don't think there's much chance that they're going to disappoint the levels that have been reset. The thing that's kind of caught me off guard, Tyler, is I would have expected the market to really have taken it in the neck overnight. I looked at futures this morning expecting to see them just fall apart. Didn't happen. So there's a message here, and that is that this market, which I think I've been worried about in terms of valuation, is behaving in a very resilient way.
The damage is compartmentalized. Tim, the same question to you. In the accounts in which you hold Facebook, would you be adding today, holding as you reassess, or what?
Well, Tyler, I think the story for Facebook, this is really one about disclosures, and I think it's a governance issue. And you know, so yes, I own the stock, but you know, I wonder how they're dealing with personal data, and that to me is a factor that if you think about what is their product, what do they create? It's our data, and how are they handling that? And I think, you know, ultimately think of it the way a widget comes off an assembly line. Yesterday they told us that they have to go back onto the assembly line and actually build structure around the security side, things that maybe tell us the product isn't fully built or that we've been overpaying for the product. So I think this is a existential moment for Facebook.
We could have said that, though, on the heels of the Cambridge Analytica fallout, and yet you still held Facebook. So why now is there a governance problem when there wasn't a governance problem before, when they let those developers have access to data?
Well, leave aside whether I own it or not for a second, because I think there's been a problem for a long time. I think the reality is that if you think about the security aspects of Facebook, but the disclosure of what management has been telling us about their core product, I'm not sure we've really heard from them.
It sounds like you're backing away from it.
Yes, back to your original question. What do you do with it today?
I don't think you need to do anything. I don't think you need to dive in there. And again, Facebook tells us we're a community and we're sharing, and I don't think they've been terribly forthcoming in terms of how they're approaching it.
You're going to hold it?
I'm holding the stock for now.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.